Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching my new vlog. It's Monday again, June 20th. It's 7:12 a.m. and I'm off to work. Wasn't able to post any new vlogs since probably last week, I think. So I'm gonna be changing that this week, today, tomorrow. Busy. The day is still going by. I think I'm starting every single video like that. That's not beginning or ending of the vlog. It's 7:55 already, still June 20th. It was a very nice weekend. We were able to purchase a sofa and bring it over to our place, and we went to a party, to a birthday party. That was also very good. It was a very nice weekend. Roads are starting to get busier and busier as we get closer to 8 and 9 a.m. Even school buses didn't pass by yet. Summer is passing by so fast. Like a couple more weeks and it's end of June, then it's July, then it's what, four and a half weeks is August. In no time we'll see snow again. So we need to make the best out of it right now. 17 degrees today. Still not humid, not super warm, really nice and pleasant outside. It warmed up a little bit. It's 20 degrees now. Still a very nice, calm, a little bit cloudy day. Not super humid, not super hot, but very nice and pleasant, just like it was earlier in the morning. It's 10:10 a.m. Day's going by pretty fast. I have the book that I wanted to use to start introducing car content for the vlogs with me, but I didn't get to read or look through it yet, so that's something that can be done sometime soon. Those are the updates until now. Well, this wasn't a very long video, but short is better than nothing. I'm actually done work for today. I'm gonna go home, edit, prepare other content, and hopefully upload the new vlog. You guys should check that one out. This video is obviously gonna come out after that one, but that video that I'm talking about would already be on the channel once you're watching this video. Check out my other social medias. Check out my TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all Driving Approach. There's a lot of cool and interesting content there. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Alexei and this was Driving Approach. Bye.